Roofing experts in Shelby Township, MI, are dedicated to providing top-notch roofing solutions for all your needs. Whether you require roof repair, roof leak repair, or emergency roof repair, our Roof Repair Shelby Twp team of roofing specialists is ready to assist you. Our roofing contractor services in Shelby Township are designed to ensure your roof remains in excellent condition, protecting your home from the elements. Roof maintenance. Shelby Twp, Michigan is crucial for extending the lifespan of your roof. Regular roof inspection services in Shelby Township, MI can identify potential issues before they become major problems. Our roofing maintenance services in Shelby Township, MI include thorough inspections and preventative measures to keep your roof in optimal condition. When it comes to roof replacement, Shelby Twp, our roofing professionals offer comprehensive roofing replacement services. We understand the importance of a sturdy roof, and our roofing contractor company in Shelby Twp, Michigan is committed to delivering high-quality roofing replacement solutions. Trust our roofing company, Shelby Twp, for all your roofing needs. Roof damage repair, Shelby Township, MI is essential after severe weather conditions. Our roofing repair company in Shelby Township, MI specializes in quick and efficient roof damage repair to restore your roof's integrity. With our emergency roof repair Shelby Twp services, you can count on us to be there when you need us most. Our roofing services, Shelby Twp, Michigan, cover a wide range of needs, from minor repairs to complete roof overhauls. As a leading roofing contractor, Shelby Township, we pride ourselves on our expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction. Our roofing repair services, Shelby Twp, Michigan, are tailored to meet the unique needs of each client. Roofing inspection, Shelby Township, MI is a vital part of maintaining your roof's health. Our roofing inspection services, Shelby Twp, provide detailed assessments to ensure your roof is functioning properly. With our roofing maintenance, Shelby Twp, Michigan, you can prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your roof. For reliable roofing solutions, Shelby Township, look no further than our team of roofing specialists. Our roofing professionals, Shelby Twp, are equipped with the skills and knowledge to handle any roofing challenge. From roofing repairs, Shelby Township, to complete roofing replacement services, Shelby Township, we have you covered. Choose our roofing contractor company, Shelby Twp, Michigan, for all your roofing needs. Our roofing repair company, Shelby Township, MI, is dedicated to providing exceptional service and quality workmanship. With our roofing maintenance services, Shelby Township, MI, you can rest assured that your roof is in good hands. Roofing experts, Shelby Twp, Michigan, are here to provide you with the best roofing services Shelby Twp, Michigan has to offer. Whether you need a simple roof inspection or a full roof replacement, our Roof Repair Shelby Twp team is ready to deliver top-tier roofing solutions, Shelby Township. Trust our roofing specialists, Shelby Township, MI, for all your roofing needs.